welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new here, I'm Miss Lila Cakes, and you can find everything from fashion, travel, luxury. I even do home decor. You name it, you can find it here. And I want to say welcome back to my subscribers. Also, for those that you are new here, make sure you like, subscribe, and you also hit the bell to turn on notifications so you know when I post new videos. So let's catch up a little bit. Today I'm going to be doing like an unboxing, like preview to you of a bag that I just purchased. Short story, basically, I wanted a cream colored bag. I'm all for my neutral designer staple piece bags that I can basically wear it with everything all year round. You definitely need a staple piece neutral color bag in your life. So, you know, your black, your grays, your tans, your creams. So I did just that. I've been looking at this bag for about 2 months. I've seen it on Gucci's website, but it kept telling me that it wouldn't be here until June 15th. And I needed it before I went to LA in 2 weeks. So with this time around, I asked my cousin, I was like, hey, do you have a Gucci Connect at City Center? And he was like, yeah. Literally ordered my bag, put in the order, talked to the guy, and got it all within an hour. So I was definitely a serious buyer, and I wanted to make sure he got his commission. Customer service was superb. So today I am going to basically do an unboxing for you guys on the GG Marmont mini bucket bag. Love this bag and it is amazing. So if you haven't noticed already, Gucci basically redid their packaging, and this is what their packaging looks like. It's pretty green color with this kind of print in the back. But let's jump into unboxing the bag. They even have the boxes the same color. Love, love, love. You know I'm keeping the bag and I'm keeping the box. It's definitely gonna go on display somewhere in my bedroom. So as you see here, the bag came in this sand dust bag. If you know, Gucci normally had the white satin bags. So they kind of revamped that as well, which is kind of pretty cool in my eyes. So, dun, 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 dun. Okay, let me get my lights together. So here is the bag, and it has 2 strings on the side, so you can kind of like pull it together to basically close, make the bag close. I definitely probably am doing it wrong. It also comes with the gold hardware chain. So here's the gold chain. Gold chain is very lightweight. I know somebody asked that in a previous unboxing video that I did. But the chain is very lightweight. Like with my Stella McCarthy bag, sometimes when I put it on my shoulder and I keep it there for a long time, like when I'm shopping in the mall, I can start feeling the print or seeing the print also in my shoulder, which I really don't care for. So with this, I don't think you're going to get that because it's so lightweight. It's not going to give you that. So you can wear this bag as a crossbody, and it doesn't necessarily sit this high up. It sits a little bit lower than this. But what I did on the inside, because I'm very particular about my bags and how they hang, I took it and I tied a knot on the chain on the inside. So it makes it shorter. So you can, you know, of course, wear it crossbody, or you can, of course, wear it on the shoulder bag. So this is the beauty, and I love her. And I can't wait to wear her to LA. And I'm going to be very careful with this bag, because she is cream, so I don't want makeup stains or like denim jean like dye rubbing off on the bag. So I'm most likely probably going to wear this with more of my tan and my cream neutrals rather than like my blue denim. If I do wear it with blue denim, I'll be, of course, extra careful. So I don't have a cream designer bag in my collection, so this is a first. So far I have a black YSL, black and gold. I have a silver and gray YSL. I have a gold on gold YSL. And then I have 2 GG Monogram, the mini, Designosaurus. And I have the canvas flat bag. It's also on my channel. I'll also link that video below. But this is my Gucci bag. She's actually very reasonably priced. So on the website, she goes for $9.80. I purchased it in Washington, D.C., so it's sales tax. I paid around $1,038, which is not bad at all. So yeah, $9.80 without tax and $10.38 after. after tax. So this is the bag. Ooh, ooh. And I just want to let you guys know that today's outfits is basically Zara, and I'm wearing a satin yellow silk dress. This dress comes in so many variations at Zara. You have it in turquoise, you have it in hunter green, you name it. They have it in red now as a v-neck instead of the cow neck, with the same detail with the buttons on the side and the slits. And then also one of my other new purchases that I got was this Oscar de la Renta initial necklace. Very hard to find, always sold out, but I got mine and I am happy, and I bought this from Nettie Porter. So I'll also can link that also below for you guys. But that is all I have for you guys today. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and also hit that bell to turn on notifications for the next time I upload content. You'll get notified. And again, I'm Miss Lola Cakes. Ciao.